Hello, and welcome back to my channel, where we talk all things tech. Today, I want to share with you a complete guide on how to hide your JavaScript code from prying eyes. Have you ever thought about how your web pages and applications can be accessed by anyone? Yes, that's right. Your source code is open for the world to see. But what if there's sensitive data that you need to protect? Today, we'll show you how to protect your sensitive data by encrypting your JavaScript file. We'll walk you through how to easily generate this encrypted string, as well as how to download and decrypt it to a variable in your web page. First, we'll explain the difference between obfuscation and encryption. Then, we'll show you how to encrypt your file and store it on a remote server. The steps to this process start with using an AJAX GET request to fetch the script from a remote server. We'll decrypt the file and execute it in the browser using the eval command. By encrypting your file, you'll have two key benefits. First, the file itself is encrypted, so without the key, a user won't be able to access the contents. Second, the script itself is hidden from sight via an AJAX request. This means that the act of the file being downloaded would only be viewable by accessing the network traffic in the browser. Now, let's talk about the key. This is where things can get creative. We'll show you a few ways to store the key. You could hard code the key into the web page, but anyone can view the source of the web page and access the key. Another option is to dynamically form the key using pre-selected elements in the page or some other heuristic. For example, you could compose the key from elements in the page. Here we are using two div IDs as the encryption key. Or, you could let the user provide the key, which could be done through a login. Here is a script for encrypting your data. Copy and paste the resulting payload to a file and upload to a server. Downloading the remote file and decrypting it is just as easy. You can even host the file on GitHub. Keep in mind how sensitive the data is though. Let's briefly see how to access the data and load it into the web page. We simply download and decrypt the remote file, adding the JavaScript object into the web page context for use in the code. By following these steps, you can protect your sensitive data and make it difficult for prying eyes to access. Thanks for watching. You can find the source code in the description below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.